There we go. Good morning. Welcome to Livestream again, guys. We had some crazy moves on gold, so let's do a little analysis on that. Aligned right now. There we go. Eesh. It's a little bit brighter than normal because I have my window open for now. So it's gonna get very hot. Look. Good morning, guys. Welcome. Bye. Yeah, they're invited as well. Perfect. Good morning. Hope you're well. Hope you're well too, man. Hope you're well too. Now, we had a massive drop from FOMC. Like, massive. Like, too massive. Like, we went from 60 all the way to 1803. Yo, massively. Crazy drop. So we're in a completely new zone. And I already see a lot of opportunities forming right now. A lot. 4-hour support pretty much right here. Let's see 1 hour time frame. Let's first remove everything for a second. There we go. Yeah, we're touching it. There you go. It's pretty delicate right now. To be honest with you, we just made a 4-hour high with the previous 4 hours, so we might feel that, even though the trend is full bearish. So let's see. Let's put some music on. Hello. Good morning. Yeah, the news was insane. News was insane.
Hey, morning, man.
Yo, what's up, man?
I didn't know you streamed the FOMC news release. That was crazy.
Yeah, I also put like the link in the WhatsApp group.
True, I didn't see it. Damn.
It was pretty good. I had a lot of people, they requested it. I was like, if we hit like I think it was 10.7k, we're gonna do FOMC.
Okay, that's cool.
Well, FOMC with M500 likes, so.
Morning.
Hey, good stuff.
Had to do it.
Yo, what's happening, master? Loki boy, what's going on, lads?
Pretty good, man. Did you see the drop yesterday night?
Oh yeah, man, I was watching I mean, how many times did the FOMO kick in?
Zero, man.
Of course, zero. But I'm just joking. But I mean, it's a mad drop. Yeah. I was looking at gold and it was like, wow, unbelievable. Yo. It dropped like what, 600 pips, something like that.
Yeah, we dropped from like 62, 61 all the way towards 1803.
It was mad.
Imagine we would have that, yeah.
Man, like Anthony Williams had it, and Euro.
No, but imagine Luke and Guala and I had that position from gold all the way from the top. That would have been.
Oh yeah, the 1901. 1901.
Yeah. That would have been real passing.
But Frank understand everyone was buying, so except for us.
Yeah. No, but I mean, and it's just.
Yeah, that was
seeing
a mad
this.
drop. Yeah, that was nearly 1,000 pip move right there.
Oh yeah, the dollar was really hawkish, man.
And I still think we're going down, like looking at the daily now, at least for maybe a little bit more.
As Abdullah spoke yesterday, we might come to the weekly zone.
Yeah, like 77 or 1768. I have my targets for this week. Like around those 17, I would say, yeah, from 85 to maybe even the support, like 68.
Red's moving fast, so.
Yeah,
Because
I'm looking at the.
oh, sorry.
Yeah, on gold, I'm just looking at the same thing as Luke mentioned, the support form to fill the 4-hour wick, since the bias is overall bearish, but for this London session, previous 4-hour was bullish, so until we see a 4-hour resistance, sells are gonna be very tricky, unless we break the 4-hour low.
I see a wick here on the 4-hour, no top wick on the current candle. If we flip, we could fill the wick, right?
True.
Yeah, I want to see a top wick before going down.
Yep. If we make a top wick and go back down, you know, good on that. If we make a top wick and then we start breaking the current low again, you know the vibe. If we start going up and start creating a support on like the 30-minute or the 15 and go above that 21 zone right here, I think we should continue to be able to move up towards 24. It's like 60 pips, 70 pips.
Sales are going to look very good once the daily starts flipping, I would say, under that 4-hour support also.
Yeah, 100%. But I think 1800 is a pretty psychological zone. So I think that's the reason why we might have stopped for it.
I think this 30-minute close is going to be crucial for the buys. So.
Yeah, because you already see this candle now having a bottom wick and having a top wick. It's closing pretty much at this level right here. If you, on the 30-minute and 1 hour, you have this small zone right here, right? If you really put like the correct lines in on the 15, the 30, 1 hour, it's a little bit higher, but this is pretty much where the rejection wicks start. But if you put one line right here, then it makes sense for the candle to stop right here, right?
Yeah,
because now it's pretty much making a low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low above the previous higher high. So, but let's see, like volume wise, you see the bears are pretty big, because if you look on the daily time frame, we could fill the daily wick down towards that 1803 once we pass 1809, right? But there's so many opportunities right now.
Hey, we have Christopher in the London session.
Yes,
That's
sir.
Good, man.
He's here. Man like
He's
Christopher.
Like...
you know
nice,
the vibe.
nice.
Good morning.
Must be like 2 a.m. where you're at.
Yes. Yep.
Crazy.
Man's like yesterday, like I'm gonna do that.
Gotta catch some pips in London.
Let's go. Come on.
Good morning, Ravik. Good morning. Yeah, let's see what we can get. Price moved. Mad.
Yeah.
Mad. We were watching it yesterday.
It's going to clean range now, so.
Yeah, exactly. It'll be pretty nice.
Yeah. There's just so many opportunities right now. Just have to wait for the correct one.
Yeah, this is that same setup we were seeing that 1 week, like every single day. First 30-minute came down to make a tail. Next one creates a support. And then at Frankfurt Open, it like breaks the high and goes up.
Yeah. I'm probably going to be looking for sales below 15 with a target on 12, and then try and retest that 4-hour wick if we get close below that level. So
yeah, 100%.
Potential sales below. Most people will be like, oh, but why aren't you going to be waiting for 1910 or 1911? The range is massive right now. So that's till this support, till this level, that's the 4-hour support right here is already 34 pips. And I more count this level the support, because if you look on the 1 hour, that's the rejection wicks right there. 30-minute, same thing, rejection wicks right there, and on the 15, it's the clear support. So the range there is already 50 pips, 55 pips. Thank you, Luke, for yesterday's special stream. No problem, man. Hope you enjoyed it. Is the music too loud or is it okay? Maybe it's a little loud. Yeah, put it down a little bit.
That's good.
Yeah. I mean, it's showing rejection already right here. Let's start breaking the high. We have a higher potential for the next 30-minute candle to close bullish, and hopefully, once we start breaking the high, we start pushing further up so that 1 hour starts closing weak, right? Because it's about to close in 11 minutes. The only problem I see is that this candle barely has a top wick, this candle doesn't have a top wick, this candle doesn't have a top wick. They all have tills, so there's at the moment there's more bearish momentum in the market than bullish momentum. But once we start breaking the highs, there's a very high potential that we start going up from 21 towards the top. But the only thing what I'm not worried about, but bothered about, is that stop is probably going to be very big as well.
Yeah, that'll have to be a little bit of a creative stop loss.
Yeah. Feel bad for the guy that lost 700.
Oh damn.
People are fucking mad. Buying, selling.
Yeah, looking at it in hindsight, a sell stop below the 4-hour low was pretty good, I think, for FOMC. It's like the same idea I had with the news that came out the day before. I forget which one it was. It was like buy stop, sell stop below the high and low.
I think 30-minute, 50-minute, you could have already anticipated. Look.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, the sell stop below the 15. That would have been already 30 pips from the open. And then, yeah. Because price did the thing that just first pushed everyone into buys the last like 10 seconds. 15 seconds, pushed everyone into buys. And then all of a sudden at the open, bang, like it didn't stop. But the thing is, if you had a sell stop right here, it went so fast that you would have probably been entering
Slipped.
slipped 30, 40 pips probably.
Yeah, 100%.
So.
Oh wow, yeah, I seen the last minute it pumped up like what?
Yeah.
30 pips.
See? That's what I mean.
It triggered all the buy stops.
All the buy stops.
Oh.
But the thing is, there was people that actually caught some money with the buy stop because they had like 61, 62, and it already hit more than 10 pips. So they already secured profits at that moment. But at that time, like, bang. Like, look at this. Look how big this 1 minute candle is.
Yeah, for real. That's some crazy cowboy stuff.
30 pips. Yo, man, like Christopher. You tired?
Baba boy.
Baba boy.
Nah, yeah, a little bit. I'm a little bit tired. I woke up. Man, I woke up like a couple hours ago. I feel like I'm getting sick. Can't do it.
You need to get a cold shower. Cold shower, man.
Should go take one, right?
Yeah, it's cold, but it's
man, cold showers are the ones that
you're gonna be
that set you up for the day.
Exactly.
Straight away.
If you do cold shower right now, you're gonna be Gucci once you come back.
You don't need to be like to get in a cold. You can have a passive cold shower, like get from the warm to the slightly cold and then get cold until your body adapts. But trust me, you'll wake up in no time.
You feel 10 times better.
I'm gonna go do that. I don't want to miss a trade though. You guys taking sells below 18, 19?
Do sell stop.
Sell stop.
Just bring your phone there.
Put in a plastic bag in the shower.
Yeah. I think GJ moved a little bit at the end of the night as well. He moved down, I think. Let's see a minute what GJ did. Open my laptop for a sec.
I'm looking at GG4 out. For me, it's just ranging. I don't see anything.
Oh no, yeah.
For me, it's just nasty range. So I'll leave out GG probably, unless we create some clean range.
Yeah, we went down a little bit on GJ, and after that, started raining. I'm not, bro. Again, I'm not touching this bullshit. Like, okay, it means pretty good if you close above that 960 level, but 155, yeah.
That's
Yeah.
nasty.
Yeah, you don't want to be in there. So
No.
GJ paid me 3 days in a row. I don't want to give back money. So
Yeah,
yeah.
for the guys, oh fucking hell, my neck, man. For the people that trade GJ, just try and avoid it, to be honest.
Because it did have an impact of yesterday as well.
GU and AU flying down, but same thing. They first last minutes they pulled up and then.
I was looking to buy his GU Luke now.
GU?
But I missed the initial entry.
Here,
Yeah,
3995.
Yeah, that was here. Yeah, I missed it. I was like, okay, because there was like, after we passed that resistance, there was like good 10 pips, and I would be like 9 pips up now, but it's okay.
Yeah. It's okay.
It's okay. Hey, but what about Ricardo, man? Making 10%
in one trade.
10%. Bad boy.
This man, holy. He just put his full position up, I think.
Yeah,
Ricardo.
Very happy for him, to be honest.
He's in there.
To hold that swing. I don't know if he's here.
Yeah, he's in. I don't know how, but this man just, I think left full position or something, 1%, and then just went more than 100 pips.
Strong, didn't it?
They got some balls to hold that.
I think he's emotionally more mature than us.
Yeah, probably. USD flew down also early. Yeah, I saw that actually. I saw a couple people took a trade on there. Like this one guy took GU sells and AUD sells at the same time. It's crazy, guys. I said in the beginning of the week we're gonna go for 11K this week, right? And we're actually doing it.
Yeah, true.
Yesterday we grew like, I think, how much? Nearly 400.
That's pretty good. Next month, 20K. 15K more realistically.
20. Yep. Maybe 15.
Yeah, guys, don't worry about that. That's the reward of the work that you put in. That will come.
True.
That's it. Don't worry about that.
3 sessions yesterday. 2.5 hours, 2.5 hours, and 1.5 hours, man. That was crazy. Crazy. Trading. Hello everyone. Good morning guys. Everyone wake up. Yo, Christopher, take that shower, man. Come on.
He's waiting for his trade over here.
No, or at least just to wash with the cold water your face. Trust me, it works for me.
Should I drink an energy drink?
No, because it's gonna crash you in a couple seconds again.
Just wash your face with the cold water, man. It will.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some water and put some water on my face. I'll be right back.
Sure.
Gold is grabbing some orders, I'm thinking.
To push up?
Yeah, I think for this session it can go up at least to create a top wick and fill the other one, and then from there it's all up to probabilities. But I'm thinking if we start breaking the previous 15-minute highs, potentially that could be an idea to start going up, provided volume is going to kick in with Frankfurt Open.
Yeah,
because everybody's looking for sells, right? So
yeah, true.
I came out, I was like, oh, 4-hour high. That's good to be retested.
Yeah.
I mean, the 4-hour high. Yeah.
We came in with the same ideas.
4-hour no top wick, let's go.
Yeah, let's go. It has a nice wick to fill. Body is bigger than the wick, so like if this kind of was very weak, I would be looking for sells below straight away, you know.
Yeah, we're looking at the same things now. It's pretty amazing.
Yeah. Tomorrow I'm going to the hairdresser in between these sessions. I'm gonna get back
Wait. Hairdressers or barbers?
Barber things.
Man said hairdressers.
Grooming center, bro. Grooming center next
proper salon and that.
Yeah.
Luke's gonna get full Brazilian on his hair.
You know it. Would you say that yesterday reset all your previous zones resistance act? Well, yeah, they're all gone. They moved. I would be looking to at least go, if we start pushing down and break the 4-hour low, I'm going to be looking, it's literally like, if we start flipping, I'm looking for buys. If we start breaking previous 4-hour low, I'm going to be looking for sells. Check what's up. Okay. Let me see.
Gold is saying, no way, we going up.
Yeah. It just doesn't want to go up yet.
Going downtown. Just to the alley.
Yeah, I mean...
Yeah, 1 hour just opened.
Yeah, with the 1 hour sport, so...
Yeah, I think if you go to the 30-minute, I'll show something. I think if we form a support, like closing back above this zone over here, then it can definitely like come up to flip the 4-hour bullish and even fill the range. But if it forms a support like down over here with a bullish 30-minute candle,
yes, sir,
that might be more probable to break that support because this is also this is the 4-hour low, which we're coming to break like as we speak pretty soon. So if it forms a support down there, it might be just a support to be broken to continue down, because it's already moved a lot. So you want to see some form of retrace to take sells as well. So it all depends where it forms this support.
Yep. Let's see Bips earlier today trying to get back on gold because of the news. You gotta... No, if it didn't fake you out, you know what was happening. You faked yourself out. But you know how many opportunities there were inside what's it called? Inside the move down. Like, look at this 30-minute. Easy move when you started breaking the lows to fill the wicks. But that's mad moves right there. It's like the 15, you had so many opportunities. Once this kind of started closing, next one started breaking the lows again. Go further down. Just mad. 5 minute, I think. Loads of opportunities. Yeah, same thing. Too many. So I think you were trying to go against the trend. There we are, coming down to the bottom. We broke already the 4-hour low. But I'm waiting.
Yeah.
Man, like Christopher is back.
You're resurrected now.
Perfect. But have you ever done like full-on cold showers?
Yeah, I usually alternate. I'll start like with a hot shower and then
yeah,
between,
passive one.
Yeah, I'll usually alternate like 3 or 4 times. I'll do hot, cold, and then finish off with cold. I feel good.
I do most of the times. I go to warm and then go to cold all the way.
Are you a
And
savage?
Yeah, some people go straight away in cold.
Yeah, I don't know how they do that. I mean,
but it turns out they say that going from warm to cold is harder. I don't know, but for me it's the opposite.
Yeah, straight up cold, going in cold.
Because, for example, your body is already warmed up, right?
Yeah, and then feels colder probably.
Yeah. But if you go into minor cold and then go into full cold, it's gonna be easier because you have a natural body temperature and then you sort of reduce it. Wim Hof, the guy is everything, man. It's ABC of cold showers, man.
Man's a savage.
Yeah, Dutch as well. Like Luke, he looks like Luke.
I mean, I don't know.
I'm already a grown-up cool man.
Frank, what did you say?
I said I have no idea how Luke does it to go to the max. Like, I honestly, I can't go to the maximum cold in my shower. Like, I'm still not there. So, like, if I go to that, then like you have to call the ambulance. I mean, I'll just get like hypothermia and just like phase out in the shower.
I wonder if your cold water is colder than ours. Your cold shower is colder than our cold shower.
I don't know, but
Man, this man lives like somewhere in the mountains, so it's probably cold as shit.
Freezing.
yeah, maybe.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Whereas in the winter it's cold, but in the summer, I don't think it gets that cold.
What, in the summer, cold water?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, in the summer you can even use the hot water just to ease yourself.
Yeah.
Because that's like the things of physics. Like when it's hot, you drink hot tea to cool yourself down, and vice versa. Well, that's like Turkish people do, for example. They go like 35 degrees.
Yeah, that's why they all drink tea, man.
Yeah,
but in
hot
Morocco, tea.
Boiling tea, man. They just drink that to cool themselves down.
Makes sense. Because you're getting hotter, and then the air gets colder.
No, it's just your body is readjusting to the temperature, and when you get that heat inside your body, it starts to cool off.
Any news about gold? Please tell us, bro. I'm running late to the party, man. Yesterday night, there was already some news. They were still coming down.
Holy, look at GU. Look at you. Oh my. Why am I even talking to you, lad? GU and GJ.
If it closed below this level, you could continue moving down to the bottom. But look how tiny that range is. Oh. I need to get a massage, man. I'm waiting for sort of a close below this level. And then maybe 5 minutes support. 5 minutes support, and then break of the 5 minute support, and then continue moving down. The problem right now for me is that I'm gonna be buying the support zone and buying the lows. So I'm gonna see small candle going with me, and then break of the lows, and then. Yeah, make some money. You too, man. Aaron, man. You too. So the 4-hour gold candle with no tip, with no top wick situation. Yeah, we just talked about that. Potential buys above that level to fill up the previous wick. Yep. Because you drop on your USD. Oh, nice. Good job, man.
Gold just showing no signs of going up. Straight down.
Yeah, it's like, you know, the last one minute, it's like go up 30 pips and then you see coming down. And Christopher like, "Mama boy."
I need to catch a trade. We need to catch trades today.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's already gone. I'm just watching this drop.
Yeah.
There's no confirmations for me, so.
Yeah. Weak bullish 5 minute and then break at that low and then you can retest like 1809.
Yep. Looking at the same thing. How many of it drops? It fully drops. It's gonna make a new target for us. So let's see.
Yeah. We have the man himself on, Ricardo. He's like, let's go make 20% today.
Ricardo. What happened, Ricardo? Because I saw you didn't really see the news, or
I still got a runner going.
Still got a runner.
Yeah, I'm up 120, 135 pips.
Let's go, Ricardo.
But what happened? You put in like a 1% position, or?
Well, no. If you look at the Euro USD, you have it on your list.
Which broker? Which
I don't
provider?
think it was on the daily.
Daily time frame. Yeah.
Yeah. And if you look at yesterday, well, see the big bearish candle?
Yeah.
And then you've got two little bullish candles that are doing nothing. Obviously, this is going down, like it's making lower highs and lower lows. You've got big bearish daily candles. So you got that one you just looked at. If you go left, you got another one. If you go left, you've got another one. Come back. Yeah, that one. Yeah. And then you've got little bullish candles.
This week.
Very weak. And you can see that structure, that type of structure says this is going down.
Yep.
But I didn't, and I thought, oh, it'll go down, over the next few days. But I didn't know there was news. But, yeah, I went to bed and, I didn't look at any, I wasn't looking at anything. And then, but I knew it was going to go down. I thought, oh, it'll probably go down 30 pips overnight or something. Overnight for me, daytime for you guys. Then when I woke up this morning, it was at 1.20. So
you're like, damn.
I look at those kinds of structures and, I just got to trust them because they're pretty much always right. You can tell what's happening there.
But where did you have your stops? Like above?
Yeah, I actually had to stop. I had to stop on a 4 hour. Like if you go to the 4 hour, I actually had a tighter stop than a daily. I had it above. I had it above that. I had it above 121477, where you've marked it. You've actually got it marked.
Okay, yeah, I see. It does stop above daily high right here.
Yeah, it's not even
I thought
a
if
crazy
it breaks
stop.
that. No, I thought if it breaks that, then it's probably going to go a bit higher.
But what was the entry?
I'll just
It's a daily low.
15, 12115. 12115. Yeah, and it was it was back up, back up. Yeah, around there, yeah, a bit lower, around there.
Beautiful trade.
That's insane.
But here's the thing, this is interesting, and this happens all the time, is that like technicals precede what's happening in the world. Like technicals tell you where it's going to go, and then there's a catalyst in the world, like in this case, the news, and so it must drop. So gold was the same because Euro and gold, Euro USD and gold USD pretty much mirror each other. But you just don't know, how much that's going to drop. But you know that there's going to be a catalyst, and it's sort of like the emotion that runs the FOMC. Like there's an emotion, and that's why you see, it spike up, 30 pips and then drop down 150 pips, because that's all emotion. That's just all emotional trading, which means, you know, that's the kind of thing we're trying to avoid. You know, like we're trying to just take a position and, you know, manage our risk and get our 10 pips and go. But the technicals come first. So in a sense, that's like the mind comes first and the emotions come second. Like the emotions, you know, drive it in a direction. But the mind says, well, you know, the structure is like the mind. So, you know, it's making higher lows and lower, higher lows, lower lows. So, you know, okay, this is going to continue down because it's bearish. And, you know, that's a structure and that's sort of the mind. And then, but you're looking at it and you think, well, it needs some kind of catalyst to really push it. And then some news event comes out and it pushes it in that direction. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we've been seeing this a lot.
Yeah, but this an insane trade. And what was your initial target at?
My initial target was at the 120. Hang on, let me look at my chart, see if I was 120. There's some.
That makes sense.
Yeah, the 120, 200 area, because, you know, if you look left, there's a bunch of stuff there. So I closed, you know, most of my position down. I just got a little runner. It's not really anything, but it's fun. It's fun to have a good trade, and then you don't have to do another trade this week.
Yeah, that's true. That's how my week has been like so far. Just one trade on Monday.
Yeah. Because now, I mean, gold just made another big drop, but
it's going to be a second big drop incoming, right, Luke?
Yes, I'm looking at this, but the range is too small. You're exactly going into that 30-minute support right here. Body support, not the wick support.
True.
If you count that from here, like 7. Yeah, to here it's 27, but I want to see a 5-minute go against this level. Yeah, go ahead, Ricardo.
I say I think any pullback is going to give you an opportunity to go short.
Yeah, I think right here, like this could give you the opportunity once you start breaking the low, because you're respecting the wicks and you're breaking the lows, like right here.
Yeah, that's the opportunity I'm looking at.
Yeah, I'm not in yet. So.
Yeah, I took a little entry.
Yeah, makes sense.
For a second leg down.
Gonna wait a little longer.
Yeah, because with volume, I think you can come fill up into those.
100%.
Pretty kind of. Yeah, entry is like 2 pips too late, I think, but that's okay.
What I'm trying to look for right now is that, because I think still that level is pretty strong. I want to see this get retested.
Yeah, I think you guys selling into all of them.
Yeah.
Support.
I'm not selling.
But I hope it works out.
I'm not selling. What I want to see is that price just starts moving up slowly again. It comes into this level and then starts coming down.
Because all of these levels are 4-hour support, 1-hour support, 30-minute support. So I wouldn't be selling in that. And then, but I hope it works out, guys.
I'm not in. I'm waiting. And then I want to see price just continue moving on. And then I have executions right here at 14. So I have enough range to the 4-hour level. What I said. So let's see. Because if you look on the 15-minute time frame, I don't want to talk you out of your trade, Master P, but so just mute me for a second. But I think on the 15 is that this zone right here is still that 1 hour, 30-minute and 15-minute support. So at that moment, I do want to see, like, this is created a new lower low right now, and then what I want, even though this is the original lower low, I understand that. Oh shit! But in the lag down we're having right now, this is the first leg we're going down. So I want to see this price retesting 15, and once we have a 5-minute closing bullish at that bearish at that moment and breaking the low, then I'm going to be looking to enter my sells, because then we have a wick to fill, and that's just above the 30-minute support level, which I wanted to avoid, because that's selling into the support zone. But that's my idea right now, and that's why I didn't get in. I mean, yeah, I have my support marked up right here, and it makes sense, but this is body-wise, this is a support as well, if you also look on the 4-hour time frame. even though price is really stopping here, this is also the body support and the daily flipping point, right?
Yeah, I'm out. Take it out.
Yeah, I would. This is not. Oh fucking hell, man. My neck hurts so much.
Oh damn, still.
Yeah, still, man. No joke. I need to get that Thai woman to crack my neck. You're like, neck. What? You know, I need that real bad right now. So I want to see 15 retested. I have a bearish 5-minute candle. Then we have a sort of a bullish 15, but I don't give a shit about that because we're in a bearish trend. Up that level, 5-minute bearish candle, break of the low, I'm gonna be in.
Yeah, I'll give it second chances then.
Yes. Because then we have enough range from that top level, right? If we have a 5-minute candle close, let's say at 14.7, we have till that level we already have 27 pips, and then till the target level is already 42, until the entire wick fill of the 4-hour is gonna be 100 pips, 110 pips. Happy ending. Look, are you mad? Are you mad? I mean, it's so cool when you it's all the neck dance. Look, yeah, you know it. Went a little too hard on that one. Nah. A couple of days ago, I was sitting in the shower and I look in a certain way, and then my neck snapped. And yeah, since then, first I was walking like this, right, and now I'm back on. I'm straight again, but.
Like, is this your side of the neck that hurts right here?
Yeah, this part. Man.
You should try to stretch it. You should take your, that's your left arm?
Yeah.
Take your left arm, put it behind your back, grab your wrist, and then stretch to the
Bro,
right.
I can't go any further than this, man. Trust me. On
On
the other side, I should go to this.
Yeah, stretch.
Oh, fucking hell, man.
It's your left side that hurts, right?
Yeah, man.
Stretch it to the right. Yeah, and pull your arm with your.
Oh,
yeah,
shit.
pull your wrist. Pull your wrist.
Yeah, I'm pulling it, man. Yeah, it's getting better.
Yeah, I would keep doing that.
You see me sitting
It's
this
a good-
entire session?
Yeah, it's a good. Depending on which side of your neck hurts, so you gotta do the opposite side, so it pulls it.
Bruv. Yeah, that's better, man. It's like the moment I'm moving that direction, it's like full on cramp. How you call that? Cramp, right?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. 5 minute. Did some weird shit.
Yeah. Range wasn't enough.
Paper rub on it. Yeah, maybe. Check out gold on the weekly though. Okay. Let's take a look. Well, that's perfect, man. I like it. Broke those lows right here on the wick, so we should continue moving down where it's like at least below 1800. Like this level, this is crucial level right here. 83. Around that. I think 83 is that main level. If you look on the daily, probably, you know, 70, between 70 and 80, more or less. But the moment we start flipping with this daily, like there's 100% going to be sells below 1809. That's going to be a sell stop for me right there, like no joke. Because then we're going to fill that daily wick all the way down to 1903. I'm going to hold full position on that one.
Mm-hmm.
Till the bottom. Like, no joke. The moment we start flipping is the moment we start rallying down. Because then we're going to be breaking like 1809.3. 1809 flat is going to be sell stop for me, I think. Probably going to put it in there, or yeah, let's say 1809, 150, 160. Sell stop should be good. First target's going to be 1807. and then probably close 50, and then leave the other 50 all the way run down towards 1903. Who's in? Who's in it for that one? I think it should be good.
That sounds good.
Yeah, right?
How would you manage stop loss? Just
10 pip fixed stop loss inside the range.
yeah,
And if I see 5 minute close well, then I'm gonna put it at that 5 minute. Because I think the moment we start breaking down and the moment the daily starts breaking its own low, it's time to move. Right? It's time to fill that wick. And that wick down is like, what, 70 pips or something? Yeah, 60 pips. And wicks are there to be filled, right? Same on the 4 hour. Same thing on the 4 hour. But I'm not gonna do the same thing on the buying side. Because at the end of the day, we're going down right now. So no buy stops. But 5 minutes looking pretty nice. We need to just go all the way back up to 15. Couple pips more. Go away. Still, the range hasn't been fully created, in my opinion, yet. Still only 20 pips, so break the high, continue moving up, please. This one is about to close in like 4 minutes, so hopefully it closes like really against that 15 level, and then it could already beat this wick because it's going against this wick right now, but let's see. Could gold be doing something like this? I'm like, Josh, let me take a look, man.
That's a yearly chart.
Bruv. Looking way too deep in that future thing, man. But, makes sense. Makes sense. I don't know about doing that, but suggest you to put some buy limits in. 1,000 pip stops. Yeah, maybe like the way it's moving right now, what could also happen is that you come back to this level right here. You have like a yearly candle close right here, and then you're gonna maybe see his price coming back up, retesting the highs. But that's only if Donald Trump comes back, because Biden doesn't move gold. Maybe you're gonna just dump. No, I don't know, man. But let's see. I think that's, you see the chart here, that's also based on a lot of fundamental things. Trying to swing gold to 1300, bro. Oh damn. I don't know about that. And with inflation, I don't think we're gonna come back to that level, but do your thing, man. Do your thing. Oh, shit. Thanks for the explanation. I appreciate it very much. No problem. 1300 is a little low, man. With inflation, you're not gonna probably make that. Cody! You know the vibe?
Got the cowboy in the house. You gonna be a cowboy today, Cody?
Man from Texas.
No, not today.
Did you need to know the most for gold? Only if New York, if you want to trade gold. That's your own plan, Meadow. Just follow your own plan. I have my own plan. You have your own plan. Let's keep it at that.
Hey, Joe. Chill.
He's like, chill out. He's now talking to gold right now.
My pet raccoon here.
Oh,
Raccoon! Oh shit!
damn, I didn't
It's
expect that.
just a big ass cat.
Oh, I
thought
was
that
about
was
to say.
actually a raccoon.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, it's a cat.
Oh damn. was waiting for that raccoon, man. Some people in America have like raccoons as pets, right? Though, like for real.
Yeah,
How big
squirrels.
is
Oh,
Foxes.
Yeah. Yeah. Wolves. Tigers.
Oh yeah, tigers.
It's in Dubai.
Oh my
It tapped
gosh.
the level. Level got tapped. I'm not in any sales, but should do next time. It's really on that 5-minute low right here, which you tap. The only thing for me, the problem is that I'm not gonna sell at my levels or buy at my levels, but I should start doing that, to be honest with you.
With like 1 minute confirmations.
Yeah, there was a 1 minute confirmation when it's breaking that low again. 14.8. That would have already. Look how much that would have been already. If you took that low, 16. That's not normal, man. That's playing with fire. 1 minute. Yeah, that's mad. This thing, man.
Yeah.
5 minute
Crazy.
close without bottom wick. 15 close weak. 15 closed weak. So.
Next one gapped down 5 pips.
I don't see a gap.
No, but like how it opened within
Yeah.
the first second, it was down.
Oh yeah.
Build the wick.
He's breaking the low, but 15 is weak. Gotta take that into consideration.
Mhm. Yeah, exactly. Can't do anything about this.
Rather take sells below that 1900 level.
Good morning, good morning.
Yo,
And like
you're
voila.
in sells.
Yeah,
Oh, so
Nice.
that 18 pips.
yeah.
I'm
Oh,
in sales
you took
too.
it. I know you took it at the level. You took it at exactly at 15, right? 15 around that 15, 14.9.
Yeah, I took it at it's one of my daily levels.
Knew it.
My daily resistance, yeah. It just tapped it.
Yeah. Same thing. I was looking at it. I was like, oh, I should take a sell here, and I'm like, this is my level. Just that's the exact same thing.
Yeah, I'm in sales right now. I just entered at 18.13. As soon as we broke that 5 minute.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah, it's pretty good. You're already more than 10 pips profit.
Yeah, if it had closed to the wick, I would have entered sales too. That was the second chance.
I'm gonna be playing with my sell stop soon. I'm thinking about, yeah.
Yeah, that's just what I didn't like about it. No top wick.
Oh my god, look at this number. Master P, go to WhatsApp in a second. Look at this number. You're gonna laugh.
Oh dear.
I'm sending it in the group chat. Look at this number.
Oh damn, nice.
That's
That's pretty good.
69,
Can't be any
69.
better than that. You got Takashi 69 in the chat.
Yeah. Yeah. Doing pretty well.
No volume. Jesus Christ.
My
I
lord.
think I'm about to take my 15 pips and wait for something better.
Pip and dip. Pip and
Man,
dip.
what
Bro.
the hell going on, man?
I secured. I'm not playing around with this.
My MetaTrader is stuck. What is it doing? Go. Okay, there you go. Go stop. At 19. Which number am I gonna get? I'm deciding. Or 1809.8. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do like 700. That's below that previous 4-hour level. If you look on the daily time frame, that's exactly below the daily flipping point. Yeah, I'm gonna do 700. Fuck it. Away. No fabricate. Wish you yesterday. And then target at 1803. Let's see if we can get that. Probably gonna do 50% risk, so I have a 50% bigger stop loss. But pretty much, we first needed support.
What the man, this is like no volume. It's like I'm about to close it. First trade of the day plus 14 pips.
Oh, that's pretty good, right? You can't.
Yeah.
Profit is profit. Well,
It's just like, yeah, for me, it's just like, wow, it's like so slow. It's kind of, I want to wait for a better opportunity. It's gonna come.
makes sense.
You know?
18. Been up like a 20 pip stop. Yeah, like that. That's gonna be good. 1809.70. That's just 60. Good start with a open trade. There we go. I have one sell stop set in. If we start breaking the 4-hour lows, I'm gonna be selling gold.
I don't know. I'll be waiting for a pullback for gold.
Yeah, I'm waiting
We've
for
been just
support.
literally falling since Asia.
Yeah, that's why I didn't want to sell in this zone, because I mean it makes sense. You could have easily grabbed the 10 pips, but it could have gone easily against you 10 pips as well. And this 15-minute kind of
exactly, yeah.
close is weak, like weak.
It's really risky trade, to be honest.
Yep.
Selling in all this zone, 4-hour support and everything. Just
And that's why I have a nice sell stop right here. And then we
if it goes, it goes. Happy days, yeah.
Yeah.
But
I have a 20 pip stop, sell stop, using
always the question is like, if you took that trade 10 times, how many of that would be profitable?
Yeah, this thing probably only
selling into support.
Well, but this is pretty much, I'm trying to, if you look on the daily, look at the daily. If you start breaking the current low, then it has a high potential to fill the,
100%, man.
So, and it already made it stop wick, and now it's flipping. And once it starts breaking, you don't know the potential of, be pulling further down towards that 1803 level is very, very high at that moment. In my opinion, at least. Like, everyone has a different view at the end of the day. So, but let's see. But as you said, like, the probability of that doing that straight away is not the highest. But let's see. That's why I'm gonna put a pretty tight break-even trigger, or not pretty break-even trigger, but
Pairs absolutely madness.
What?
Pound pairs absolutely madness.
Yeah.
If you look on the 15 man, on on GP, USD, or TJ. He lured in the sellers, then broke the stops, and then came back again.
It's mad. That was just exact 20 pip first target and then 10 pip break even trigger. Same with the upside. First 1-to-1 target, close 50%, and then well, probably I'm gonna do 75%. Makes a lot more sense, and the rest at the full target.
You're in here?
No,
Okay.
I have a sell stop at 1809. Yeah, let's say, what is it exactly at, like 700?
Yeah.
Yeah, 6-1, so pretty much down a little.
Yeah.
Pretty much here where my mouse is, I have a sell stop. So there's enough room also with spread to not take me in without breaking the full low. Makes sense, especially on the gold in the 4-hour time frame. Yes.
Where do you have your stops at?
20 pips stops inside the range. Pretty much where Kando is right now. That's where the stops is. So if you count it from 1906. Oh shit. 1906 right here. I pretty much have my stops right here. It's like 20 pips or something. How many was it? Yeah, 819 pips around that. So, but I'd rather wait for one support to form.
You in, Lukey?
No, it's way lower.
No.
It's below. It's not. It's like after the 4-hour support. So it's like below here. Right here where my mouse is. And then we start re-breaking the current daily low, and then the current 4-hour low is breaking that as well. And I don't know what's going on right now because we're flying down. So let's see.
Yeah, gold is not holding any horses today.
Yeah. I mean, if we break the current 4-hour low, it's go time probably.
To be honest, I think it's just gonna fill the whole week, man, with this 4-hour.
Yeah.
The way that is dropping. No
top down a little lower.
Today's the day it's not gonna respect 4-hour support resistances in London.
Mm-hmm.
It's the 1 in 10 day.
Yeah, it's that 1 out of 10. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just like because the 4-hour no top wick, so I think it's just so much pressure coming from the sellers.
I'm not in yet. Didn't tap me in yet. It only tapped 900, so it needs to tap 605.
Because I'm thinking, London couldn't sell gold yesterday night, right? Once the news happened, so everybody's selling now.
True.
You know, all the Londoners are selling now. So
yeah, that's true. They're pricing in the news from yesterday because they were all having dinner at that time.
Mate. Probably watching football at that time.
Yeah, true.
So yeah, well, that's my thought process. That's why the gold is falling down.
True. I'm not in yet. I am not in yet. Didn't tap me in yet. We came to 1809.83. So I'm not in this position yet. Now this is perfect situation because now we have a candle rejecting. If we have one bullish candle and the next one breaking this low, it's gonna continue moving.
Luke, you said this for the past 5 candles.
Yeah, I don't mind. It's the truth though.
That's what I'm trying to say.
It's the truth though.
You're looking for it and I'm looking for it, and it's just like it's just dropping straight up.
But it's the truth. Like, best to wait for that. Did he enter? No, I can show you right now. My sell stop is still normally active. I'm not in yet.
Yeah, this is what I was looking for with my 5-minute entry, but it was a little early. With the volume, it should, like, you know, fill the wicks a little bit, even if it's a support.
No, 100%. But then I'm looking where it coming from. Coming from the top.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, true. Could have waited for a deeper
And
pullback.
I remember Luke lost 2 trades like that.
Yeah, I'm selling the low.
Yeah, so I was like, okay, you learn from other people's mistakes, and Luke learned from that as well at some point.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, needed to see a deeper pullback, I guess, but I think this is a really profitable setup for me when I see a weak candle, then break it to higher low.
Yeah, I don't
Strong
think that the deep pullback might come in with this 4 hour unless we just
No, but like it already had the after my entry did that deeper pullback to look to the level at 15.500. That was like, and then once it created a resistance there, then that was the move down. But the resistance it created on my entry was too weak, too early. After already moved down.
Yeah, rejecting hard this level
it's
4 hour.
rejecting really, really hard. I'm not in this trade, so don't worry about it. It tapped me in, nearly tapped me in at 2 pips difference. That's why I put it lower than the actual level itself, because it would have been tapped in now, and you would have been cool, like, oh sheesh.
It nearly kissed it.
Nearly kissed it, yeah. But that's the thing. That's why I had it like fully, like it broke the 4 hour low pretty much by like a couple pips. No, like a couple micro pips. I really wanted to, fully break it, so I did like at here, pretty much right here, in like 600. So that's really what that meant that it fully broke at that moment. And right now it didn't fully break. So if you're in too early. But I still think we can continue moving down, because we see this happen over and over again, right? You're at a daily level, you go back up, go back down, go back up, go back down. So.
Oh yeah, the rejection coming in. Because if you look on 15, that's on the left side, that shows significant higher low. That's what Goala would buy.
Yeah. You see that number, Augustus?
No.
Go scroll up to the first picture I sent.
Did anyone take a trade on gold?
No, I didn't.
I was in a trade.
Yeah, I took one.
Worked out?
Yeah, caught 15 pips. 15, 16 pips.
Savage.
I listened to that podcast of that guy, Anthony.
Yeah, how was it?
It was pretty good. It's always the same stuff. I mean, really. It's got interesting. He's got an interesting story. I mean, of course, he was broke, and but what I found interesting was that he traded for one whole year, just a penny lot, 0.01.
Insane, man.
He disciplined himself for one whole year, and I think he turned, I think it was $80 into, like a couple of $100 or whatever it was. But what it was, and what it always is you just, it's the same for everyone. You just got to find your own way. You've got to find your own thing that works for you. And it's basically all mind. I mean, he can show you the setups, and, he can show you, there's a video afterwards of, with the Trading Nut guy showing you, Anthony showing you what he does. And he's not doing anything special. He's just buying at support and selling at resistance. Like, it's just still... He just, he follows the trend, and if it's an uptrend, he waits for a pullback and buys. That's it. And then on another account, he just scalps the US 30. But the other thing that's different to him and say Raja is that he says he looks at the charts all day, all the time, hours and hours of charts. Yeah, constantly looks at charts.
That's dangerous.
So it sort of works for him because it's, you know, he's making that money. But
Making a lot of money.
yeah, but, you know, it just depends on how you want to approach it.
What's his name? Anthony what?
Williams.
Williams, yeah. And his Instagram is Anthony's World, and if you look at that Trading Nut
Let's see it.
podcast,
He seems to me a really relaxed guy, to be honest.
yeah, fabulous. And you know, he's able to trade those big lots because for him, he'd been right down the bottom where he had nothing and he was sleeping in his car. That he had nothing to lose, so he just would go for it.
Anthony's world first trader business owner.
Really nice. I'll give it a listen today for sure.
But he hedges as well, though. That's a tricky business, hedging, and if you don't know what you're doing,
yeah.
But he hedges in a different way. Like if let's say he buys gold at 18, 19, and it goes down and it breaks 18.15, he'll have a sell stop under 18.15, 3 times the size of his original buy stop.
Nice.
Okay.
Makes sense.
So then he takes off the buy stop,
and then it goes into a sell, and then covers the loss, and then makes more.
Well, that's the plan. Like he's already in a buy, and so he's underwater in the buy, and then once it breaks the structure, he has a sell stop 3 times the size of the buy order, the buy that he's got in, and so he makes it back that way. But that's a tricky business.
Yeah.
Very, very tricky.
You need to know what you're doing with that.
Yeah.
But where can you see his... Oh, I see.
I've done hedging and I couldn't make it work because of the emotional side of it. Unless you're a robot, like an expert advisor, they have no emotion. That's why they blow your account, because they don't care.
Yeah.
they just keep taking trades.
That's it. Now, if this 5-minute candle closes right here and it starts creating a bearish candle, I'm going to be looking for sells. Target created.
Well, in the 5-minute, we're nearly breaking the structure.
Yeah.
That's what I said. This is where Guala would buy, and look how he reacted.
Man, I was downstairs, man. Fuck.
I told you this is where you buy.
Relax.
My bad.
Because of your 15 high low to the left hand side. I said this is where you would buy.
Yeah, I'd be up 30 pips for sure.
It makes sense, to be honest. That's what I'm looking at. Like, it makes sense to me. It's respecting the previous high low to the left.
Dang, I missed that. That's okay.
And the 5-minute, the way he just rejected, the way it closed and then started pushing, I was like, yeah, Guala would be in buys.
Just that 5-minute doji candle close was enough for me.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah,
matching below the support.
Exactly, and respecting that previous high low.
Oh man, if you get this 5-minute close above this structure, it should be pretty good.
Yeah, that's what I said as well. Like breaking the structure when buys come in.
When ours about to close though, it's closing bearish. That's kind of tricky. I'm about to go buy a fan. Like a good one.
Good one.
Yeah, mine's broke.
Oh, really?
I kicked it playing World of Warcraft. Got mad.
Oh, geez. You actually playing World of Warcraft?
Yeah.
I played since I was 7, man. That was the game.
Yeah, I still play that stuff. I'm still a big baby. I was watching Pokemon yesterday, bro.
This guy watching Pokemon.
I was watching Pokemon, bro. I came back from the game. Remember, I went to the game. And I was like, what am I going to watch? And then I saw Pokemon. And I was like, yep. Let's do it,
Man's doing it.
bro. Pokemon's the stuff, man.
We saw the Instagram thing in the chat. Someone saw it. Oh, Frankie saw it. Frankie's like, "Can you give me the R6? I don't need no women." Where's Frank?
What?
Frank, turn on the mic.
Man said, give him the mic.
No, if you go to Instagram and to the chat, you understand.
Oh, Instagram chat.
Yeah, Instagram and then to the chat. Oh, here you go.
Oh, he gave a little. Oh, I see.
Oh shit.
Nick would love that.
You know it. Damn. But it's about a boy though. It's crazy. I'd rather have the lower one though.
Yeah.
That one is 10 times sicker.
You get it with the Mansory body kit.
No, it's ABT. ABT, man.
I don't know ABT.
Upped.
Oh,
Audi and upped. You can also get it on Volkswagens.
And the dude made 800K yesterday.
Yeah,
What
it's
the
mad, isn't it?
Madness.
Jesus Christ!
1,000 lots on Euro USD. Just bang it.
What's wrong with this dude? What is wrong with this dude? Honestly, that's sick.
That is sick, right?
That is.
Where
Gotta have the-
what happened?
Jesus Christ, bro.
He made 850K or something yesterday off one trade.
834.
Oh, there we go. Yeah. Sorry.
We're a little off.
Missed by 20K.
Sheesh. Nah, I just looked at it. That's crazy. I don't even know who
That
this
is
guy
mad.
is.
I'm about to strap my things together too, bro.
What?
Watch next NFP. I'll be in the building with a separate account. You watch.
Robo Gual is gonna be like, "Yep, I'm putting that 27 on it."
I'm not putting 1,000 lot on there, but
1,000 lot. That's mad.
1,000 is a little too much for me.
It's amazing that filled that easily. I
Yeah.
guess it's. Yeah, it seems like.
This man's like. Yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
Oh, it just seems like 1,000 lots that would trigger. You know, it'd take a few pips. You'd lose a few pips on the way as it's filling.
Yeah. You see the numbers are flying at that moment. Like,
Yeah.
at the fun part, it's like normal 50 lot, 15, 9 lot, 6 lot above, and then a couple
Yeah,
lots,
right.
and then just 1,000 lot. Oh shit.
Yeah, I'm just thinking, all that money that comes in. Whew.
That's mad.
That's wild.
But this guy.
Like I said to myself, I'm gonna print this out and stick it in front of, like, I don't know, on my ceiling or whatever. I'm just gonna look at it every day.
This man.
850K or something.
Nearly in one day.
Honestly, bro, that would be scary.
Yeah, okay, I mean, if you have the money to back it up, makes sense, right? But in a news event, dropping 1,000 lot sell?
Bro, he's making 500K daily.
Yeah, he said in the podcast that his worst trade was he was up. He'd taken $100,000 account to $750,000,
Okay.
and he had a trade, and somehow he traded drunk, which is never a good idea. I think he fell asleep and he didn't have a stop loss, and he lost 550 grand.
Oh shit.
oh,
Okay.
come on, man. That's a
That's-
noob mistake.
My heart just,
Yeah,
twitched.
but you already, if you start trading drunk, there is some
Yeah.
emotions that you need to control.
You can't trade. You can't drink and trade. It's just too dangerous.
Yeah, but then
Yeah,
there's some
it's worse than
emotions that you're
driving.
missing that you can't control.
Yeah, exactly.
Because it,
yeah.
no, I'm not even gonna say it.
But
I
when you're
did that one time.
when you're at that level, you're sort of you
Play
pretty
with
much know you can't lose. Like you can't really lose. I mean, if we look at the Forex market, really, we can't really lose. It's not there. It's not there to take your money. It's there for you to make money. And you know, everyone has their own way of doing it. Whether you know you're buying the low or you know selling the high or taking the breakout. It's really there for you to make money. It's not. It's not a zero sum game if you take the emotion out of it. So I think a guy like that has gone so far past that he knows something deep inside that he can't lose ultimately. Because tomorrow, like today, I put 20 lots down and I lost $5,000. Tomorrow I'll get it back, or the next day I'll get it back. It's not like, oh no, I lost $5,000 and I'll never see that $5,000 again.
Yeah.
No.
It's just a game now.
Yeah, like Raja trades like that. Like he'll lose a couple of days and it's like, oh well, and then the next day
it is what it is.
Back, yeah.
You can't win every day anyways.
No, of course not.
But I think we at some point I think we might need to, get that mindset as well. Cool.
Yeah. You have to have the mindset that it's not a zero sum game, that it's actually, the market is there for you to make money.
Because they have no attachments to that, For them, it's just numbers that are running around and they're following the price action. That's it. Yeah,
it's inanimate itself. It doesn't do anything, and we see the same thing happening all the time.
Yeah.
So there's really no reason not to make good money. The only thing that's stopping one is oneself. That's all.
100%.
I think the same thing, man.
100%.
That's true.
I shouldn't be popping bottles over here.
No, bad
That's why
idea.
when I listen to those podcasts and stuff, it's like the trading side of it is uninteresting because he's not going to show you anything
new
that you haven't seen. There's no new piece to the puzzle on that side of it. And he trades naked charts, like he just trades price action.
Price action?
No indicators.
This 5-minute closing bearish at resistance, could we see an hourly wick fill?
It showed rejection, but let's see.
Yeah, because it's still closing below this bullish structural point.
In the same thing.
After creating a low.
Well, Gala would say that it will come down to 1813 to push further up.
Well, that's all different plans, right?
Yeah.
At this point, I got it on my 5-minute. I got a trend line drawn above this 5-minute lower high. If you stay above this, you should be good.
Lower high.
I mean, let's see.
First buys?
No, both.
Both.
What are you looking for? Buys?
No, I'm first looking for sells.
Guala, because he's like, both.
I'm looking for buys always, bro. It's gold.
Oh,
I
okay.
just sold it. I just sold it 16 pips down, closed out. But then I went downstairs and missed my entry right here.
What did you sell at?
At that 5-minute, a 3-candle pullback.
A 3-candle pullback.
The one that just happened.
Just tell me the price, man.
Around 1815, the most recent pullback. That's where he sold.
$18.13.67.
1813.60s.
That's where I sold that.
Once the 5 minutes start breaking down?
Yeah.
I think it's gonna go downtown.
With the rejection wick that it already had made.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this
Like
is
you're a bastard, man. You're selling into 4 hours support.
Yeah, that's why that's where I closed out.
Yeah, just tricky, but yeah. As I said,
it,
like
it was
really
it was
happy that it worked out.
it was I had space, you know. It had to tap there. It had to, you know.
Yeah, I mean, you had to tap 10.45 at least,
Mm.
or 11.40, but yeah.
I think we start re-breaking that low. I might take a sell right here. 13.6.
Yeah, it's London
Yeah.
Open as well. Damn, time flew by.
Yeah.
Yeah, pound pairs are absolutely shambles. I see GG going down, but I just don't want to trade. It's nasty.
And 25 to go to, yeah, pretty much. If you close about that level, I think you should continue moving up. But we're still inside the same range, so let's see.
4 hour on gold is pretty ugly. Looks like it can continue down.
Yeah.
At least retest the 1803, 1804 area.
But market conditions aren't the same. You know how I look at it a day after a crazy move? I look at the market like today, it has a hangover.
Yeah.
That's how I look at it. It has a
Look-
hangover. It's not in its right state of mind, so it's gonna do some crazy stuff. And then tomorrow,
Look at
it's
GU,
good.
man. It's terrible. Like what it's doing. I mean, if you look on a 15 or whatever.
Yeah, see.
Yeah, it's
Weird.
just up and down. Breaking the highs, breaking the lows. It just doesn't make sense.
Yeah, so it has to recuperate before do
Yeah.
this thing again.
Mhm.
It's trading
Yeah,
while it's drunk.
Yeah.
It's going up and down. Doesn't know if it wants to go sideways.
Yeah, facts, man. Facts.
Yeah, so I'm really patient today, honestly. I even said to myself, I'll see what the market gives me, but if there's nothing, I'll be happy not to trade.
Yeah, what if this 5-minute close is bullish and the next one starts breaking the low? I think that should be pretty good with this one. Let's see. No breaking yet. It's going like everywhere right now. Delicate right now.
Yeah, and for me, I think this candle might be like a booby trap candle, this bullish one. Everyone's gonna think on the 15, like, oh, we going in buys, like, we have bigger volume, but now we're just gonna drop in the 5 minutes, just showing that.
Yeah, probably. I got in a small position. There you go.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Broke the lows pretty good.
Yeah, if it doesn't reject this level on 5, it's just gonna melt down.
Yeah, I got an entry at. Where is the entry? Let's see. Ooh, it's about to hit my break-even trigger. Entry is pretty much right here. Stop loss is above the current high. Target is right here.
I think you'll be fine.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see if I come back to break even. I'm gonna close some off because already went like nearly 8 pips into profit, like 7 point something pips into profit.
Yeah, well, that's what I said. This area might be rejected
Yeah,
on the
because
5.
30-minute support. Look
Yeah,
left.
but if it doesn't
There you
hold,
go.
it's just gonna go.
Yep. There you go. 8 pips. Hit. Stop losses at break even.
Nice trade, buddy.
Thank you. Yeah, if I
That's
come
a
back,
dub.
I don't wanna lose any profits. So let's see. It looks like it's coming back, but let's.
Ring the bell.
I mean, sitting at break even is always the smartest thing to do.
That's a dub.
Yep.
Let's go. I took that too.
Really? What a G.
Yep.
You're a G for doing that.
Yeah, I said that this 15 is a booby trap candle.
Close 50%. Trying at least close 50%. Didn't close anything yet. Doesn't want to close? What?
Ooh.
Was it like... Doesn't want to close. It doesn't... My magic keys doesn't want to close my positions.
Just do it on your phone, man.
Yeah,
Well, you got time.
You still have those sell stops?
There you go. Yeah, I still have self stops in.
My man, Luke's going town today. Yes,
Let's go,
sir.
Let's get it, boys!
Good stuff, man.
Yeah,
Good
man.
trade.
Partial take profit got hit. Thank you, man. Man, I'm getting the hang of gold again, bro. To be honest with you.
Price
Dang.
action, buddy. That's it.
If you took the same trade, we got fully called out. I said, I'm in. Like the actual counter was up a little late because I was focused, but you know, if you took the same trade, don't forget to leave a like on the stream. I secured most of my profits. I have a very small runner running, like a 10% runner is left running. So let's see. I'm gonna remove my sell stop because I already am in a trade. I'm gonna try and take profit of my runner at, yeah, literally at the bottom right here, right, 36 pips around that. I'm gonna leave it run, see what it does. Not like yesterday, Christopher, where I accidentally closed full position.
Nice trade, Luke. It was like A to B.
Yeah,
Nice
thank you,
trade.
man. Yeah, I was watching
to
this.
B.
I was like, I have to execute on this. There's no way I'm not executing. But because my sell stop was there and break-even triggers and stop losses were all over the place, my position just didn't want to close. Like, for real.
Yeah, this 15 was a booby trap. Everyone's thinking that we're gonna buy because of the volume coming in.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was waiting too.
I was like, break of the low, get in my sell, see what happens. We're running around 15 pips now.
I seen this setup as well, but I'm
My
on my
exact-
phone, so I didn't execute on anything.
Entry was actually 320, so it was lower than it says right here. So it was like right here, stop loss, break even. So let's see, looking to really get that bottom, or at least like pretty much this level right here to be hit. Like 10, yeah, 10:30 to be hit. Let's see. So at 15:30, close at 12, 18, 12, 30. Thanks, Luke. Yeah, no problem, man. You did it. You did it.
I mean, price action. That was just.
It's on point, man. To be honest
beautiful
with you.
setup right there. So
Don't get any
easy,
better than that.
genuine, no stress.
No, that's it. I just got in and like no worries, no drawdown, no bullshit. You know.
It was A to B.
Marky was like, "Here you go. Here's your money
So
for the day. Have a good day."
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was watching this. I'm like,
on a silver platter.
Yeah.
You take profit already, Christopher.
Nah, I have a 10% runner.
Oh, nice. Yeah, same for me. 10% runner. Let's see what it does.
Those 5 minutes, I got in at the break of that 5-minute candle at 18:13.
Oh, the bullish one?
Me too.
The
This one.
bearish.
Yeah, this
Oh,
one.
the bearish.
He had the same entry as me, only I had a little bit lower, I think. We're running around 17, 18 pips profit right now.
Yeah, they made sense, man.
Yeah, because if you look at the 30-minute candle time frame, right, we exactly closed against this level, previous level, respected the previous high. We're running around 20 pips now, nearly. There go 20 pips. Wasn't one more half right here, I think. Oh, it doesn't even want to. Yeah, around that. close one more half, and then leave the rest run really to the bottom. So what I see happening many times, right? We're in a downtrend. Price comes back to this previous support level, where they close against that level. If you look on the 15, it's pretty strong candle, right? Everyone would be like, oh no, 1 hour is rejecting, 30 minutes bullish, 50 minutes bullish, but it's actually in a downtrend, so it's retesting that previous level. This was a retest. This was a full-on retest. And if you look on the 5 minutes, it's very clear. This candle, previous 5-minute candle, you see bullish momentum is very strong right here. No bottom wick, no bottom wick. Price is really pushing up. And this candle, exactly at the level we marked up, engulfed the previous 5-minute bullish candle and respected the previous high. Now, what's the probability of coming back down after that moment, after retesting that level? It's very high, right? So, you know, it makes a lot of sense to sell at that moment, in my opinion. Master P.
Yeah.
You took it too.
No, I wasn't in this. I sat back after the first loss.
Oh, okay. Makes sense. Makes sense.
Smash it in New York.
Yeah, man, you got the New York today. Get it?
Yeah, that's gonna be a good one.
Nice call, Luke. Perfectly executed. Thank you. Yeah, no problem. I mean, it's market conditions. So, like, if you remember the past weeks, right, we had many losses, even win rate 30%, right? And you're not gonna get this every day. No, you're not definitely gonna get movement like this every day. Like, there's gonna be weeks where you have 3 losses and maybe 2 wins. It doesn't matter because you're managing risk on those losses, right? So it should all be good. We're running around 25 pips right now, but you're not gonna get clean moves like this every single day. We're about to hit TP. And there you go. Target TP is hit. Let me fully close that thing. Oh, it doesn't. Yeah, there you go. TP hit. Runners all the way ran to that level. Very nice. Get that orange out for the people that took the same trade. Orange, there you go. Oh, it's very quiet. There you go. We waited patiently for around 1 hour and 30 minutes for a trade to come into play. I already said it from the beginning. I want this level to be retested. This was the first retest. This was a very good trade, but there was no straightaway confirmations for me, right? And then once this candle started engulfing, yeah, that was the one. That was the one. So we hit 32 pips profit. I'm gonna put that one up on the screen. Gold sells plus 32 pips. Like the stream, guys. Yeah, guys, if you took the same trade, you know what to do. Like the stream. Make sure you're subscribed. We're about to hit 11k. That was the goal for this week, and we're actually doing it. At first I was like a 10k at the beginning of the week. I was like, okay, yeah, maybe we can hit it, maybe not. And you guys are fucking doing it. So make sure you don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, we're only like 68 away, nearly 69. Look, 1809, 60 to still stop. It's valid. It's still valid, but I'm not in it, and I don't want to be in it right now. So I removed it. I'm not what I said before. And if you had that, mine would have not been touched yet. So you need to wait for a support to form now for price to continue moving down. So wait for a fire, like I'm read something and I said, wait for a support to form on the 30 maybe. At this level, and then try and sell off from it. I removed my what I said in the middle of the trade. I'm removing my sell stop. Yeah, you know the vibe, member.
This session's treating me nice so far.
I think this is going to continue moving down towards the bottom. Like, if you break that 600, 1809, 600, I remove my stop loss. I already got a trade. I don't want to be in a new trade anymore. You know. But if you understand what's going on, if you break that full, you're going to go all the way down to this daily level. But, you know, let's see. This trade made so much sense to me. Now guys, my sell stop is removed. I'm not in a sell, but it makes sense to go down. For me personally, I would rather wait for support from, oh shit. But let's see. Get paint. But I think it should continue moving down to fill that daily wick. I'm already out. I got no runners left. We're gonna run to like 30 pips, and that's my target. That's what the thing you need to do as well. Like, some people maybe took the same trade and are like, oh no, but now we can fill the daily wick, right? And you could, but make sure you just secure at, you know, at the level you want to secure at. Secure at the targets, right? Rather than trying to be greedy and catch all of the entire move. Uh, I'll put some music on in a second. Are you guys going to trade SNB interest rate decisions? No. Please, who can enlighten me this, please? I don't know what you're talking about, man. You need to some more detail in the Thai massage. Bro, I need it, man, Jason. It hurts so much, but it is what it is, right? Is Jicha dropping? Oh.
Well, my runner's eating on Euro USD.
Is it still?
Yeah. Oh, man.
Man's making bank.
That's another 100 and... What's
Let's
that? 150, 100 and...
Oh, this curiosity for Forex. Oh, shit.
165 pips.
That's crazy. Like, how much percentage is there on it? Like 10%?
No, I've got about, of that trade, I've got 5%.
Oh, that's so good.
Yeah. I mean, I closed most of it at the target this morning when I woke up. I thought, oh, fantastic. I just got lucky. I got lucky that it was the news. I mean, I expected it to drop over the next few days, but I didn't expect it to do it in one go.
It's insane. You had a perfect entry as well.
Yeah.
I'm back. What happened in the meantime?
Same with the gold. I mean, if you look at gold on the 4 hour, it's exactly the same. That's what I was saying. It's going to drop. It's the exact same structure.
Still in this, Luke.
No, I already took profit. I took profit at 32 pips.
The whole thing?
No. I took off like, what was it? I think like 50 or 75%, 50%, I think 75.
Okay.
At 10, and then another 50% of the leftover runner at 20, and then the rest at 32.
Yeah, nice, man.
Your USDs, yeah, man, this doesn't give a shit. Look at this, mad. Let's go back to gold. in 3 days on London session. No, I realize it's a bit tough than New York. Yeah, London session is harder than New York, to be honest with you. Look, how did it feel making your first withdrawal? Okay, I didn't really make a big withdrawal yet. I mean, I've taken money out and left some money in and left some money back in my bank account, but like, it's not that I'm focused on compounding, but that's what I'm doing mostly now. And if I'm, if I, let's say, proud of something or something, or want to reward myself, I just take, Luke, would you ever let it go? If you massage? No, man, you mad. You go ahead. No,
I don't never compound, bro.
You never compound?
Fuck, I take money off every month.
Makes sense.
And then the rest I leave it. I mean, it's some sort of compound, but every month I snatch some out of that.
Yeah, that's
every
good.
month.
That's good. That's good. Well, it doesn't really matter. The guy, Jason. If it's a good massage, why the fuck not? He better not be touching any different things, but like, how did it feel? I read that. I want to go up to New York station, then fall down so that I can catch more pips. Yeah, don't be greedy though.
Nice.
Oh really? Oh, well done, man. Congratulations on that. Guys, we have like 450 people in. We called out a live trade. We only have like 180 likes. Christopher would say those are rookie numbers. So you know what to do. Pump those up at least 250. Oh.
I think with this 30-minute close, there's going to be another set of cells coming in to fill the wick to the left. Then gotta wait for the right confirmations, like a 5-minute closing bullish or a minor pullback, and then continue on down.
Please, which chart is this? Here you see it, gold spot, US dollar. Come on, guys. Butterfly with my winnings tonight. Yes, sir, Jason. Come on, man. Can't be lacking. Yeah, I'm really trying to just filter this week the dumb trades. Long scalp opportunity to 8. Maybe, who knows? I mean, well, oh shit. Everything is still dropping, so I'll wait maybe for like a previous resistance to be broken inside the drop. Yeah, Hamza's trying every single day, man. But he's not gonna catch me lacking. You at least need to try and change your name for a second. Try and get me to slip. That was too easy, man. I see Hamza and it's like, yeah, I need to look out.
Oh yeah, I know who Hamza is.
He's not gonna catch me slipping. Rest. Gold so.
Sigma, nice. Yeah, Hamza, he caught me in New York. Now I know. Now I know what to look out for.
That's funny though. He's trying, but next time change your name and make it like a different profile picture.
Yeah,
then I would maybe step into it. But Yeah, I think you need to wait for a little support to form. The 5 minutes making that support, and I think once it breaks, then you could continue moving down towards that 1803.5 level. I think this was a very correct entry right here. Golfing candle. 5.
Yeah, that was the right trade.
Yeah, this one was too early. I saw this and I was like, too early, and I was like, it's even better right now because what pretty much happened is that, annotate this, we broke out of the structure, right? A lot of people were selling bank. Then we made this low, and then we made this retest, right? But this zone was too tight right here for a second. It was okay, but the zone, it was exactly also on top of that 30-minute level to the left, right? So the zone wasn't that big, and once it fully started breaking down, and it tapped my line right here. Wait, why did I not do this with arrows? Fully tapped my line right here. I was like, okay, now we have a target created, right? We started pushing back up. We came back up to the level right here, which were all pointed out. And then engulfing candle, break of the low after making the top wick. And yeah, the only thing you have to do is wait for your target to be hit, or minus risk if things go into negative.
Yeah, this 30-minute close looks really good, but I really need a top wick on this candle.
This 30-minute.
Yeah, 30-minute just closed, but it's already trying to break the low with no top wick. Looks sketchy.
Yeah, that's always a sketchy situation. But you're like in a full-on downtrend right now, so. Oh.
Yeah.
It made a 5-minute wick already, but like not on the top. I understand that.
True. Yeah, I took a little early entry on that first trade, but the trade you took, that should have been my second chance. I acknowledged it, but I'm like,
what told you off? Oh, you told the same range.
Yeah, the same range, but it made sense because I even said, like, if this 5-minute closes bearish, we're gonna fill the hourly wick, and yeah, that was correct. But I don't know. I took the first loss and I wanted to be more careful. But I should have.
Pretty much my thought process. I didn't care about what happened here pretty much anymore.
Yeah, because that was previous hourly candle that needed to be filled anyway.
Yeah, so I was like, clean traffic down. This is bullshit. And we pretty much made a low, a higher low, and then retest of the lower low. So.
Yeah, gold is just teasing right now, but
take it easy, man. Take it easy.
Yeah, exactly.
There's no need to jump
into 4-hour. Yeah, with this 4-hour close, there's gonna be some magical opportunities.
Here, it's showing you like very good opportunities. Price engulfed the previous candle, respected the previous high, broke the previous low. That's full on. What's it called? What I want to say again? Confirmations. Right here, price doesn't have a top wick. Prices. Look at the previous 5-minute candles are both weak. Weak candles just broke the low. It's now coming back up because you know what price does. If price doesn't go down with if price goes down without a top wick, it's likely to come back up to make that top wick, which is doing it right now.
Yeah, confluences are against it.
Yeah, so maybe if you have like a full break again of this level, you could maybe get in because now made a top wick, but
yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Potential sells below 1808.800 because that's a full like 1 or 2 pips below it.
Yeah, that
makes a lot more sense.
And then your first target's gonna be that like 8073.
Yeah, 10 pips more or less.
Yeah, gonna be taking profits. Makes sense. Does anyone know if Luke has a mentorship or something? No, I don't.
Not yet.
Not yet. No, for real, I'm not joking. Not yet. Nothing. 24-hour stream for 11k. No, we don't need that. We're coming close already, bro. Trust me. We're growing too fast.
24-hour sheesh.
From Afghanistan. Nice to meet you, Luke. Nice to meet you too. I'm watching out for some random shit. Maybe Hamza's trying me.
Yeah, you know Hamza's gonna come in.
You did, thank you, bro. So. It makes sense to start off at that level where you what you just said and have that target right here. That's just a stupid question. Yeah, he has a mentorship. Rookie does. Serious stream sinds ik jouw stream kijk elke dag ben ik veel beter geworden met reden. Oh, thank you, man. Serious, thank you, man. You're a G for watching me every day. Like, I appreciate everyone that's here every single day watching me. Like, you don't know. I appreciate you so much. That's why I always say, people, thank you for streaming. I'm like, thank you for watching. You know?
Yeah, with this 5-minute close, if it closes with a wick, it's gonna be even better. I'm gonna lower my risk.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, I'm gonna lower my risk so that I still have an opportunity for New York.
Yeah, makes sense, man. Tune in every day. Good, Najim. Thank you, man. Possible GU shorts. Let's take a look. USD. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Working the lows. Just look left. Is there any supports that might hold you back? Yeah, you got this top level, but overall, I think you could go down towards like 276. But watch out for this level though. This needs to pass quickly. Maybe look on the 4-hour. Yeah, this is a 4-hour level right here. But if you really want to, it's forcing it to go down to this level. You could, but make sure it passes that 650 level straight away. Like it doesn't hang around that level. It needs to pass it. If I don't watch Luke, they ain't cool yet. Thank you, man. Do you think we're going to 1800 on gold? Yeah, I think so. 1803. I think so. I'm making 300% profit today. Oh, you're over risking, man. Better be careful.
170 pips up.
Whoa!
Hey!
Damn, Daniel.
I've got to take profit at there's a whole bunch. I've got to take profit at 118.80-ish.
It's flying right now. It's like making the new lower low.
Ridiculous.
Damn. Oh man, oh my neck. Oh.
Damn.
Yeah.
Oh, I need to do this thing real quick. It's
I'm
going
running
further
up
than
5
now.
pips on my entry.
Yeah, I saw that. You're going well, man.
Yeah.
Pretty much
Damn,
called it
what-
out as well.
it
Like
slipped.
you said it, 1808.
1808 was, yeah, but damn, it slipped 18.50.
Oh,
But that's okay, still
that's
3 pips
oh.
up. In the grand scheme of things, very tiny.
This thing is. Yeah, there you go. There you
I'm
go.
up. Put stop loss at,
Put it
Yeah, it's
above
up.
the current high, like 10 pips.
yeah, it's above
Leave
the
it.
current 5-minute high. But around, pretty soon I'm going to put stop loss at entry and I'm going to leave the full thing running to about 20
Pretty
pips
much.
because I used 50% less position.
I think if you hit 10 pips, just go slowly to
Yeah,
break even.
close 50.
Or go to the 1 minute time frame and see which kind on the 1 minute time frame makes sense to put your stop loss on. Like,
Yeah, I'm already break even on this trade. It's
Yeah.
up 7 pips, 8 pips.
yeah, that's good, man.
Reaches
That's perfect.
10, I'm gonna close 50% and then leave the rest running.
Yeah, that's really good.
Mhm.
I stopped myself from entering.
Yeah, but that's good, bro. You already took 2 trades this morning. You need New
Oh,
York
damn,
as
there
well,
goes
man. Come
break
on.
even. Shit.
It is what. Hey, break even trigger
It's
is there
okay.
for a reason, Master P.
Yeah, it's okay. New York will have more opportunities.
Yeah, you already had a small loss, and you know what a break even trade means. You know it. So that's all good, man. But it was a
I'm waiting.
yeah, great call.
I'm waiting for the retracements here.
Oh, did it really just tap it and went back now? Oh my god.
Yeah, it's okay, because entry also had slipped from the original 0.80.
I think if you put your stop loss next time above that 1 minute time frame where the 1 minute started pushing down straight away without a top wick, I think there was a little bit more structured at that moment. Because this was just a like a full-on retrace to nearly retest this area.
Yeah, true.
So maybe a little too soon. Too soon, Junior. Oh, but you know what I mean. Joke.
I still have plenty of opportunities in New York.
Yeah, exactly. Bruv, New York is gonna move like a. Imagine it made us like a 600 pip range right now. We have a let's say from this level right here, from 47 towards here, this level right here, we have a 440 pips range to play in. So you have enough range to get 10 pips. Fucking hell, man. I need that Thai massage, man.
You have a foam roller?
No, man.
Or you gotta get a foam roller.
Is that good?
Yes, bro. I just used it like 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. Sitting all day, bro. You need it.
Just send it on the plane in the package right now. Maybe it'll land today.
Yeah, it's a lifesaver though.
Yeah, I can understand. Dennis, good morning, man. What's the sell target on gold? Level 1803.6. It's gonna be your target for gold sells. I mean, if you took the sell stops, they would still be valid. Sell stops would still be valid. Osteopad you need. Yeah, he's probably going into profit right now. He's been selling along the way.
Oh yeah.
No, still entries at like 48 or something. What was it?
way too low.
Oh. How do I join the Zoom chat? You can't right now. Like bang, timeout. Better watch out, man. Bang on timeout. No play with Christopher. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, it's gonna fill that daily wick. It's gonna fill it to the bottom. I mean, my sell stop that I had was still valid because I would never have been taken out with sell stop. Because I would have, let's say, right, sell stop would have been pretty much, what was it again? 1909.6 it was. If you had your sell stop and you kept your sell stop, the only reason why I removed it is because I already took a second trade. You would have still been in because your stop loss would have been 20 pips and it would have been right here, nearly above the current candle high. So if you took the sell stop, the sell stop activated. Thanks for the pips, man. Here you go. Someone took the sell stop as well. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Now you're up like, what is it? 30 pips again. So imagine if I help.
Pips from my entry over here.
Yeah. The sell stop was still valid. Like the only reason why I removed it is because first of all I was waiting for a little support, but it was still valid at the end of the day because it was re-breaking again. And yeah, 30 pips. Oh, also 30 pips. Very nice. A lot of people kept the sell stop. Really good. Really, really good. Because at the end of the day, what was the chance to fill the daily wick, right? It's very, very high. Like very, very, very high. This is gonna go deeper probably. So
yeah, it's that 1 in 10 days where London actually breaks a level and moves.
Yeah, but now we have volume, so now you can expect it to do that. Like that 1908.
Yeah, I've been expecting that since the beginning. It was either gonna fill the bullish wick up or break this level, like go down to break this level because of the previous news yesterday. Like the traders here in London, they need to absorb that news.
But we just had a spike up to 870 people. What? For some reason.
Oh lol. Now it's 30 pips for my entry. I was gonna leave the whole thing running because it was 50% position. Damn, you know I'm gonna do that in New York, 100%.
Yeah, man. Good. Good morning, guys. Just took some sells on gold. Price retested live on the stream. Luke Trades London every single day. We have around 500 people in the London session. Link in the bio, guys. Check it out. Fuse it with the magic keys and the minion markets. You know the vibe. Like the stream, yeah, guys. Like the stream, especially if you took those cold sells as well. Oh shit, I did it on the wrong Instagram. Why?
Fuck.
Why? Let me do that again. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the live streams again on Luke Trades London. We have around 500 people watching. Just taking some gold sells from the previous top. Well, we're retesting. Man, fuck this.
You're still not on mute, by the way.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Someone be doing the dishwasher. I think it's Ricardo.
Checking his.
Let me mute it for a second. There you go.
Sorry.
No problem, man. No problem. There you go. Yeah. Let's get this. Yeah, man. Let's get it. The new music. Let's get that timpani beat.
Yeah, now the only thing left is for the runners to run. If you left the runner, and then next set of trades are going to come in with New York volume after this 4-hour closes.
Are you ready for New York, Master?
Oh yeah, 100%.
Nice. You guys, 2019 0860. Oh, same. So no, I didn't get in that. That's where I set my sell stop right there. But when you focus on one pair, game changing. Yeah, that's the thing, right? People trying to trade 50 pairs, man. Come on, not gonna work. Like, put it in perspective. Like, if you have 5 women, shit's gonna go down, right? If you just have one, like Augustus, you know, everything is gonna be alright. You learn how to.
Wait, what?
You gotta learn how to manage those 5, though.
Yeah, you gotta. Like Koala. Koala's in the next level again.
You gotta learn how to manage, retain, keep happy, and then you good. You know what I mean?
You can't let them meet each other. That's the important part.
That's you go.
The thing. You don't try and do the same things. Like put them
Man.
into what they say again. They always say that don't correlate them.
Yeah, yesterday I was kind of ducking where I was at yesterday because, man, at the game, Jesus Christ. I have to get out of there.
Hello, there's something about GJ ranging.
Trash.
It's rejecting from this support area right here. Let's see, if it closes below, you should continue moving down towards maybe 30 right here. But how big is the range? Like, tiny, man. But I think you should continue. Respected this wick right here. But I think if you break that, you could go further down, stick to less than 5 women. Thanks for the advice, man. I think 2 or 3 is good enough. 2 or 3 is good enough, man. Guala. Guala.
Yo.
Look in the chat how your name is spelled.
Come on, bro.
Here is Guala's Instagram.
This man called me Gualala.
Guala.
This man said Gual. This man said Gualala.
There you go.
Guala. Guala.
This is Guala. I'll put this link in the thing.
Guala.
It's me. Yeah, everyone knows, probably. Everyone knows. And we have a man like Master P, Medicine Bear, that's a good one as well. Christopher, you see him laughing straight away, he knows what's up. You have Master P, put his link in the bio. And then I got men like Augustus. I don't have a Christopher, do you have your Instagram?
Funny thing,
People
I actually don't.
Don't have
You have Instagram?
Nope.
Oh wow.
Man like
Nope.
Augustus, the Lithuanian chap that if you can't speak English well and you talk Lithuanian, go to this man. He will provide you a lot of value. Do more. Do another one. Yeah, that's it pretty much.
I'll probably create one. Might as well.
Fun. Just put your
Track
trades
my
on it.
trades. Yeah,
Yeah.
for my trades.
How do you spell eat? Like quick swap. Okay, could do. I would be careful. It's in a downtrend. See, I want to see how this 1 hour starts closing. Because if we ever close with the 1 hour below this zone, there's a high probability that we're gonna keep on pushing further down below 1803 towards that 1780, probably 83. Like first level is probably gonna be this level right here because it's very strong, right? This 96, yeah. I was about to say 69, but but
The Dutch way of saying it.
yeah. I just made 9.33% on gold. You gotta be stopping to over risk, man.
Like crazy.
Yeah.
Not
Come
even.
on.
I think today was the day to go hard. Like those.
But
crazy digits.
9.33%. That's a lot. But if you didn't over risk, well done to you, man. Probably 96 is the first area, and then after that you should continue moving down towards that. What is it? 83, 84. Look on the daily. There's that wick right there. Previous resistance zone, nasty zone. It should be good. Go ahead, Master B. What do you want to say?
Yeah, look, from where it broke the 4 hour low, it dropped 100 pips. So that's like if you had a 1% trade on
Yep.
10 pips, you could have made like 10% on that.
Oh yeah, easy. Hello, Luke. This may be the question, but I'm struggling to get up. at 5 a.m. to catch pre-London in London. Any tips to help? Any tips are welcome. Put a glass of water. Once you go to sleep, put a glass of water next to your bed and slowly drink the water once you wake up.
Yeah, I do that too, but I don't slowly drink it. I'll just gag it.
I do the same.
Yeah,
does that
it
help?
really helps. Yeah,
up
it,
with
it
waking
like
up?
clears your mind like right away.
Like you're waking up, you're like, oh shit, man's waking
Yeah,
up
bro.
straight away. Yeah, that helps. That's the only thing for me that helps a lot, and a good shower.
Crazy.
And
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I
man.
thought you were gonna say just throw it in your face.
no.
Throw
No.
the glass of water in your face when you wake up.
But
I
put a glass of water
slowly-
into... Yeah, go ahead.
I slowly drink my coffee.
Yeah, the thing is, what I noticed when I drink fast in the morning, like my entire...
Entire day is ruined.
No, I get choked up. Like, I get too full too soon. So I just do it slowly. And, a couple sips, and then I drink the entire glass of water after. Like, in like a minute or one or two. And you're gonna be good. You don't have to, like, gag it, but if you prefer that, go ahead.
Someone said pause.
Yeah, man.
Then I hit surf.
Yeah, you go surfing,
Okay.
that's sick.
You got to get out in the water.
That's sick. That's a dream
Oh.
right there, man.
Ricardo, if I lived somewhere near a beach with ocean, bro, I wouldn't even be trading right now.
I do.
I'll be swimming already, bro.
I live next to
Yeah,
the
well-
beach, 5 minutes.
It's
Yeah, I'll
nighttime.
be swimming. Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, I swim in the morning and surf in the morning. But I
Have you
live
ever
on-
Have you ever went night swimming, like deep in the ocean with like a flashlight?
I've been in the ocean at night, but not way out.
That's scary business.
Yeah, it's a bit scary. Yeah.
It's where
Man,
the sharks come
imagine. I was watching this documentary, and it was this photographer, right? He was taking pictures of a boat, like that sunk to the bottom at night
Oh shit,
dark.
that's scary,
with
man.
one light. I'm like, man, this dude has the balls of steel, bro. How? I would never. I don't think. Never, unless you gave me a machine gun that fully functions underwater and some armor. Oh man.
Set your alarm and don't think, just get up. Well, for me, yeah, I have 50 alarms. My first alarm goes off at 5:30, and I got out 7. No joke. And then like alarm is every day, every 15 minutes or 30 minutes. And then I get my glass of water at like 7 o'clock, 7:15, get out, shower, and then eat, and then get behind the charts. 5 seconds before you get out of it. Yeah, that doesn't work for me, man. Me, it's like that water helps the best. Just a quick question, because I'm new to this. When we say break, level does it include that? I know. Yeah, for me, for some people it's like the body, but for me it's all the wicks. But it depends what you're looking at, right? If you're looking at closes or, but if you're new to this, I would already take a step away from impulsive entries. And let's say we grab this 5-minute entry on gold right here. It's pretty much what happened, right? I'm gonna explain you what happens, right? Yeah, here you have the, let's put the lines. You have the open of the candle, and that's currently the low of the candle because price doesn't have a bottom wick, right? This is the high of the candle, right here. This is the highest point it reached in the time being, and this is the close of the candle, right? Now the new candle opened, and it was a bearish candle, so it opened at this level right here. Makes sense, right? I hope you understand that as well. And it made a small top wick, which made a high for the current candle, right? And once price started to, break this candle and close below the body of this candle, price engulfed the previous candle and made a low at the same time. So this is the high of the candle, and this is the low of the candle, right? Let me remove like most of the things for a second. I'll remove everything for a second. And once price opened, we had a new open, right? We had a candle close right here. This was the open of the previous candle close. So we have a bearish candle and a new open candle. And then we had price making a top wick, so making a new high for the candle. And that's going to be considered maybe like a very short term, a lower high at that moment. And once price broke the previous lows of the previous candle, because this was the full lows of the previous candles right here, opportunities were formed for price to continue moving down towards at least this level or the level I had all the way over here below, right? Like the wick right here all the way down. So hope you understand that, what the lows and the highs and the lows are at this moment. Just for me, for some people it's like, oh, the body broke. So let's say the body, this is the body. This is the body right here. But for me, highs and lows are, this is the high and this is the low. So thanks a lot, mate. No problem, man. Hope you understand it. Some people need still need that basic explanation, and that's fine. Like, people start, and it's welcome, man. Welcome. I get up and I just don't know how to turn off the alarm and go back to sleep, but surely I tried this glass of water tip. Yeah, man, it's really good, new demo. It's like really good. Let's look, my god, profit 20 pips, 1807 entry. Oh, that's pretty low, but okay, very nice. Oh, you took buys, right? Yeah, quick buys. Oh, very good, man. Oh, at the break it is high, I think you took it, right? Or what did you do? That 1 minute candle is big. It's a big candle right there.
Yeah,
no, we just had the open rejection. 1 hour did close below the previous support, but it's hanging around still at like the 15-minute support right here. But it's delicate right now. There is no trade right now for me. So, but let's see. Drop a like for the precious info. Oh yeah, thank you, man. Thank you for the stream, Luke. Keep it up. Thank you, man. Thank you for watching. There are some accounts who introduce themselves. Raja and crypto offer crypto signals. Yeah, you need to get the hell out of there if you got trapped in that. Come on, guys. You know who's real and who's fake. Yes, my buy entry was 1807, stop loss was 1804, 30 pip risk stop. Okay. What's your first target? Because if you have a 30 pip stop, you shouldn't really be closing at 20 pips, right? Or I think your risk reward ratio is like negative.
Say that's the only spam I'll allow.
You'll leave. It's like you're about to get slammed. Positive things can stay. My buy entry was, yeah, that's pretty good, man. 5 minute confirmation, good for gold trade, not yet. Maybe, fuck, at the break of 1807 900 towards 1805 365. Oh, but do keep in mind, okay, it's a weak bullish candle, so, but that's okay. It might fill the wick, but it's already breaking the high, so maybe wait for like a small 15 to close or this break. But I don't know where you're gonna put your stop loss at that moment, because it's still going up, right? It already broke the high. The range is big enough. It's like a 57 pip range. Is there any entry for shorts? Shorts, not yet. There's unemployment claim, so this New York session is going to be busy again, Master P.
Yeah, I saw.
There's going to be a lot of people. Like, the moment when there's news, there's so many people in.
True. Yeah, no, I don't know about unemployment claims, but high impact news, 100%. Everybody wants to trade the news. I just hope this 4-hour can close below the 4-hour support to the left. That would just make my mouth watery.
Then we gave him almost 35 pips and it went back and take me out. You need to secure profits, Azad. That's not smart to do, man. You need to secure profits. You're too greedy.
Can't go broke taking profits, says. Secure something at least.
Yeah, 35 pips. It's a lot of pips right there.
Yeah.
Man, nice to see you. Nice to see you too, man. Welcome. Some people are too greedy sometimes, man. Come on.
Yeah, and it's kind of a drug, because sometimes I see myself being greedy too. And then I collect less than I'm supposed to have already had in my pocket. Just like yesterday, for example, I had that like 70 pip runner on like 20% of the volume of the lot size. I let it stop me out all the way when I knew it was gonna stop me out all the way, you know. So greed, sometimes you gotta watch that greed.
Luke today has been fabulous. One simple trade, very good returns. Yeah, perfect, man. It's not gonna be like that every single day. You gotta remember that. Yeah, at least if you're at 35 pips, put your stop loss like 10 pips profit, at least. Or you wanna hit a home run. I mean, Marion, you can if you like really want to give it more room. If it might retest, but if you just put it below structure, then it makes the most sense. Like that's what the problem I have sometimes with, like the same what Master Peaches had. He had a stop loss, right? And he put a stop loss at break even, which makes sense. But at the end of the day, what my problem lately is with stop loss at break even is that the break even stop loss is never structured.
True.
So the stop loss at that point doesn't make sense. So I'm more
Yeah, need to be above the previous candle, like you said.
Yeah, or 1 minute, at least 1 minute candle. That was going to be because you had 5
Yeah,
was your
because
entry.
it was above the
6
previous 1 minute candle, so I'm like, oh well, that's structured, right? But then a little too not structured.
Which one was? Oh, you had it. Oh, this one. You had it
Yeah,
also.
it was right there. That was break even.
I would probably put it at 6 pips because you started out with like a 10 pip stop.
Yeah, 10, 12 pip.
Yeah, maybe like give it a little bit more room next time. I did the same. To be honest with you, I went into break even when I saw like 8 pips here too, and it came back up first and then came back down.
Yeah, true. Yeah, because the confidence was low after I took the first loss. So I was just being more careful than opportunistic.
Give me 1 second. The weather is better today. Yesterday was not doable, man.
Yeah, I think there's a code yellow here for the heat.
Probably. Now 23. That's perfect. How to secure profit, bro? You go to your
lows.
You go to MetaTrader. You go to your MetaTrader and you click on close position. That's how you do it. Yeah. You open a position but you don't know how to close a position. That's dangerous right there.
Next level gulag.
Yeah. Baba boy.
Yeah, give this man a badge of expertise.
First achievement unlocked. Open a position.
Hey guys, if you smash that sell twice, you know what to do. We're about to, how much are we off from 11k?
Oh shit.
30, 39. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, especially subscribe. We're trying to go that to 11k this week. We're gonna make it today already, I know it, but it's gonna be fun. What's the most mirror?
Yeah, he's asking me how.
he remembers the name.
Yeah, man's gone deep.
Don't go too ham on him. Guys, this thing will go up. Only maybe. Energy 3. What's up for you? Thank you, man. Thank you.
Probably stuff from Instagram.
How about 90% close? How about, yeah, go ahead.
Then you need to double tap the position and then adjust the lot size to 90%.
I did the same. My magic keys closed wasn't working.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because probably of that self-stop that was there at the same time, it was really like doing some weird shit. I first placed a self-stop and after took the buy, and then my break-even trigger and my partial TP were also getting really weird. Okay, I think it's fine. Maybe if this starts rejecting fully, to be honest with you, I'm not gonna say it, but I'm gonna annotate one thing. Yeah.
Kill.
That's the only thing I'm gonna say. Annotate. But the candle didn't like fully engulf this candle yet. I think once it starts flipping, it's going to show a lot of rejection, and I think once you start breaking the body, right here, start moving.
Yeah, little support formed and then break of that support below the 30 minutes, like in fresh support, will fill the wick.
The moment there is rejection of the previous zone. So, here we go. Sunny, well, first ask yourself the question, is me telling you what lot size I use gonna help you? Is it gonna help you in any way to become a better trader? Probably not. Well, I would be surprised if it was. But you gotta first look at your own things, focus on yourself, you know? And everyone knows you can see my lot size on Instagram. And for me, it's still a low lot size. I'm still coming back to that gold thing, and you know, it's starting to become really good. But people that question about lot size, focus on yourself. Focus on your own progression. Focus on your own ideas. Focus on your own lot size. Like me telling you what lot size I use is not gonna help you. Even though you can see it on Instagram, that doesn't matter. But it's not gonna help you in any way. So. No problem, man. No problem. Which time frame is better to start? What? I don't know, man. Trading is not about a lot size, to be honest with you. Trading is just about trading. Simple as that. But could not make a connection. Do you have any idea quite a big sell on gold yesterday or not. Yeah, that was the news. This 5 minute kind of was weak.
Yeah, I might just wait for New York.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's the best thing. Volume is dying down a little bit now, so. But I think still it's pretty good setup. Retested the previous support. But yeah, we've been streaming for more than 2.5 hours now, so I'm probably gonna call it one. Remember, Master P is gonna do the New York session live stream on this channel, so be there, be square. It's gonna be a lot of fun. But guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, especially if you took the same trade. Yeah, and I'll see you guys personally tomorrow morning. You see Master P in this afternoon or morning for most guys.
Yeah, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know when I'm live for the New York session.
You know,
and we'll see you there.
Yes, sir. Thank you, guys.
It'll be in exactly 2 hours, by the way.
Yep, 2 hours and 15 minutes. See ya. There we go.